Reverse method will change the original sequence of the elements. So while sorting was arranging them based on increasing or decreasing order, reverse will just change the original sequence. So let's say we have our list and we give it values 1, 3 and 2. Now if we would have used the sort here, the output would have been 1, 2 and 3 if we have not used any flag, and if we would have used the flag reverse equal to 2, then the output would have been 3 to 1. Let's see what will happen if we use the reverse method, right? So we'll say list var dot reverse, okay, and then we'll just print it again. So the output is just reversed. If you want to compare, I'll just rerun the code with sort here, okay, and rather than, so as we have already seen a while, I'm just putting it again so that it becomes clear to you. So you'll see in case of sorting, the order is 3 to 1, correct? We have just covered the difference between reverse and sort in our example, so I think we can simply skip to the next function, which is sum.